Simply drawn here, drawing another productivity frog. This is from the famous Mark Twain quote, "Eat the frog. If it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning. And if it's your job to eat 2 frogs, it's best to eat the biggest one first." So we're going to start with the body of the frog, and this one is more of an oval. And the circles on top of the body a little farther apart than the last frog we did, connecting them to the body with just a line and filling it in. The back legs, again, a half a heart from the middle of the body. And the front legs coming down from the outside edges of the body, but still in the body so you can see them on the white. And then this is where you wanted it to be smiling. I kind of drew in where the smile would be first, so you can see that's where we'll draw it with the black after. But I'm making this one a tree frog, so I'm adding some reddish orange to the 3 little toes with the little circles on the end. And then again the 3 little toes on the front feet with the circles on the end. And then again, that where they meet the green and the white, that's where I put the mouth of the smile, the nostrils, and again I'm making a straight line across for the eyes. You could leave it that way, but then I went and put a circle right on the middle of those. So how to eat your frog. Identify your frog, also known as the hardest, most important task that you need to complete. Eat it. Do your most important task first thing in the morning. Do not give yourself the chance to put it off until later, and repeat this every day. You will be amazed how quickly the small steps taken consistently will add up to big accomplishments. It all boils down to this: identify one important task for the day and do it first. Good luck.